Okay, well, update video. Blue's fixed, done many burnouts, so on and so forth, featuring Deadpool. Needless to say, it was a hell in a high hole, but we got more fun shit. What does that say? What are those? Not for Blue, though. Gotta grab the salamander juice. Kane's back. Huh? Dead Channy. Ooh, frozen Bruce Jenner juice.
Yummy!
Dun 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 dun! Mama's Whip. So, Mama's Whip has, oh, that does another, the old case of death wobbles. So, she's getting a 3-inch lift. Some other parts and pieces. But this is the other third of the fleet. Have fun.